Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'm gonna show you how you can repost someone Instagram story. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Instagram application on my phone, and if you want to repost someone's story, you have to be tagged in a story, and after you have been tagged, you will get a notification on your Instagram direct message. So the first thing you have to do is clicking on the Instagram direct message right here, and then this is the account who tagged me in a story, and then just tap on it. And if you want to repost the story, you can simply click on the story right here, and then just click on add to your story. Okay, and before you repost the story, you can edit the story first. You can add tags or add sticker to your story, and then once you're done on your editing, you can click on your story right here, and then the story will be reposted on your Instagram account. Alright guys, and that's how we can repost Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.